Namaste everyone, this is Archit. Welcome back to Bhrigu. Today we will be discussing the Yuti between Saturn and Sun. What all things you can expect? How does this manifest? What all things you can expect if you have such a Yuti in your chart? Let us deep dive. Saturn. Saturn is the natural Karmakaraka. It represents your overall karmas. Saturn represents structures, boundaries. It is a lazy planet. It is a slow moving planet. It is old. It is cold. Coming to Sun. Sun is the natural Atmakarak. It represents your fathers, your government, authorities, political parties. It is your firstborn male child. It is also the Karka for discipline. A lot of people take Saturn to be the Karka for discipline, but it is actually Sun that represents discipline in your life. You see discipline from Sun. So whenever these two energies, these two planets are conjunct in the same house, I'm not talking about trine here, I'm talking about the same house. This is a combination that can give you a government job. This is a combination that also makes you continue your father's legacy or your father's business. This is a combination that makes excellent orthopedic surgeons, excellent judges. This is a combination that is known to give conflicts with the father only when Saturn and Sun are in trine to one another. Or whenever Saturn and Sun are in opposition. Not every time whenever Sun and Saturn sit together, it creates conflicts. It is a big misconception. I have seen so many charts where Sun and Saturn are sitting together and there is a very good relation between father and the son. Also, one more very important thing to remember is if your Saturn is retro and Sun is sitting in the 7th house, in such a case there would not be conflict with the father because a retro planet doesn't have the capacity to aspect. This is a very crucial point you should remember. There is very little information over the internet regarding this point. This combination is also seen in a chart of lot of agriculturists, people who are there in agricultural sector. This combination is also seen in the charts of people who are into the manufacturing of steel. This is a very potent combination for that as well. The only thing that you need to remember with this conjunction, with this combination is you do not need to let your ego come in between your work. The moment there is growth of ego, that is where this Yuti gets spoiled and a person faces a lot of crisis in his or her life. Make sure you always respect your father. Make sure you always serve him. That is the biggest remedy for this conjunction for people having this combination. I hope this was helpful. Please leave your comments down below if you can resonate with this. If there are any questions, any doubts in your mind, I will be more than happy to clarify them. Thank you so much for watching. Over to the next one. Bye-bye.